Hey Stozo, how's it going? Hey Lenny. Sorry guys, I'm running late again. It's becoming a pattern. I'm just finishing off dinner. It's gonna turn into just chatting with I don't know, chewing noises. People love chewing noises, right? How dare I? Should I try and get Magic Doggo on screen? No, he doesn't want to be on screen right now. Let's start a poll now. That sounds like a good idea. I think I know how to do it. The poll for the weekend. The weekend game. Stream. How's the music? Because it's crazy loud for me. Don't put Magic Doggo on stream, put the stream on Magic Doggo. Shame, he can't carry the whole stream. Just kidding, he already does. Do you know that feeling when you use a new keyboard and you need to learn how to type again? Yeah. Although I haven't done it in a very long time. Where's the polling thing? I can't find it. Oh, there it is. It's the one that says poll. I was thinking about don't starve together. I don't have it. Is it good? The previous poll never ended, apparently. Did I just start hiding the polls? Huh. Weird. Let's see. How do I make it restart? Well, not really new keyboard. Already over 2 years old, but I haven't used it in a year. Ooh. That's pretty fancy. Oh, I just do it through CloudBot. I'm being silly. Alright, let's go. /poll. What is the command? Please enable CloudBot. Wait. What? Oh, here it is. Do you want me to add a game? Stozor. I got No Man's Sky, Satisfactory, and Minecraft. Lenny has it. I have nothing. Don't starve together is what I assume Stozor's on about. Goddamn Mike, get out of here. Audio is good, but the video is not. 5 seconds buffer animation. I'm on the Wi-Fi of a Wi-Fi. Are you on an extender or something? Maybe I gotta check if anyone is streaming from me. From my server. Let's go double check quickly. Nope. Luckily not. Must just be someone on the network watching YouTube videos. Don't have a password. I go in with my phone, which scanned the QR code, and now I'm casting a hotspot from that. Oh, wow. Don't starve. Vote. Don't starve together. I think this is how I do it. They're changing batteries in power stations, lol. What's this? Holy cow, that was quick, Lenny. Yeah, the poll won't even show for you guys just yet. Let me just finish up here, and then we can get going. Alrighty. Oh geez, I am Speed. Eyes have got a new video in the next days of our potluck event. Ooh, SpaceX is streaming. What is SpaceX streaming? Are they doing something spacey? Let's check that the meme deck works, because I think we're gonna put some Don't Starve Together characters on. Just checking the corners here. Corners are weird, man. Crap. I'll put him down there for now. Oh, he can't go all the way to the left. What is this? Let me just fix that quick. Meme deck. Get your stuff together. Stretch to screen? I feel like that made it worse. fit to screen. Huh. Weird. Well, welcome to my desktop, everybody. Oh, that wasn't the welcome to my desktop button. This is the welcome to my desktop button. Why? There it's on the corner. Very strange. What are we doing today? The app. Link's always streaming. You two always stream at the same time and only got one laptop. Yeah, I know. Lynx and I have chosen similar times, but it's different times for each of us in our time zones. It's just similar times in real life. Let me turn this on. There you go. Extra orange for good luck. Jeez, it feels like it's been forever. It's only been a week. Mind recognized music. Aren't they building their own launch platform in the ocean like an oil platform? I don't know. I'm not in the loop. The programmer of this meme deck must have been really drunk when he programmed it. What are you bugging out today? We've got some cool features. We're going to be messing around with that. And it's just, you know, the drill. Before we get started, always pull latest stuff. Let's also move this space character guy. He's a little bit annoying. Oh, and the poll. Very clever past Kurt. The poll is in the way. It's not high enough. Don't stuff. I guess I could remove something like satisfactory. Sorry, I was gonna do something. Let's just enable Edison cam again. It's frozen. I left my cool drink. God damn. I gotta go fetch my cool drink. Why do you have to pull latest if you already have the latest stuff on your PC? Did you continue on a laptop? I continued on a laptop. Ooh. In fact, we got some weirdness here. Interesting. I also regenerated the data on the side, but some of the stuff got broken. Some of the stuff even more broken. I'm just gonna do a big undo here and then just pull again. Yeah, you sometimes continue on my laptop. Yeah. All right, let me quickly go get my drink. Otherwise I'm gonna die of thirst and then red blocks of doom. Yeah. You know how I say less code, more betters? Doesn't work that way for the JSON, unfortunately. Oh, what is this song? Screaming Children on a Beach. My favorite. Oh, you know what? Edison is asking for stuff. I don't think he's got stuff. Hold on. He needs food and water. Alright, I'm back. Edison's got food and water. Did you already get a follow today? Oh shit, thanks. I need to reset that counter. Alright, let me just get into the dress of my people, because it's a little chilly. Just a little bit very chilly. That's not Streamlabs. Streamlabs. What am I doing? Is it... Oh, it's the goal, right? The follower goal. Reset. Nah, it's not supposed to be green. Other thing is, let me check if the YouTube is actually streaming. Because last time it didn't. So what's the point of doing restream if it doesn't... Yeah, it looks like it's live. Yeah, okay, cool. The YouTube is live. I don't know, last time it kind of seemed to make it like private or something. Alrighty. Let's start the stream off by finding something related to what we're going to be talking about today, which is most likely don't starve together. Stozo has asked for it, and let's get some good images here. Put that on the screen. There's not good images, Stozo. This game doesn't have very usable logos here. Yeah, let me show you what I'm talking about. Can you see this? Can you see it? Maybe like that one. It's got a bit of transparency. That'll be good. That one's pretty good. But the black background's a bit of a... You know what? I could just search for transparency. That would help. That helps a lot. That really works out good. Man, these icons are great. You guys can't see the big one. I'm very impressed. I played Don't Starve Together before, a demo. But not Don't Starve Together. I've played Don't Starve before. It was a demo, I think. I didn't know what to do. And then I died. I think I went insane and then I died. I like the bug. Let's grab the bug. An HD version? Ooh, a sticker version of it. Very good. Very, very good. I got caught. Here we go. There's your transparency. Gosh, I hate it when these things aren't transparent. It's even a JPEG. It's like totally not transparent. Let's copy that one. This one's transparent. Where will we put him? Like over here? He's not very big. It's good because his quality is not that great. Why is the video so laggy? I'm not sure. It really shouldn't be. Let me see if I can help it. We're just gonna try and help the video there. We'll see how it goes. What else do we need, Stozo, from Don't Starve Together? Or just Don't Starve? Nope. Let me get my special fancy folder open. And let's see. Oh no. I don't have my fancy folder bookmark. Jesus, Edison. I mean, it's like we're playing a horror game. He just came here to make scary noises. Jeez. It's not choking anything, he's just, I don't know, cleared his throat. Cleared his throat aggressively. What else do we need? Oh, I wanted Stozo's pickaxey dude. Well, that didn't display properly. That's not gonna bite me in the butt, I'm sure. He can be there. Okay. Let me get all this stuff running. So, as you know, we had the prisms update. and there was some data mining to be done. And I've got the new stuff. Hey, Cyberpunk. The bug hunt, we're adding bugs. There's no hunting down of bugs. Come on, emulator. Come on. I gotta regenerate the data again. Because we actually have Season Expedition 3. We have the data. We have the technology. Did you see the new pre-release for Ember? Yes, I'm using it. And I can actually get Season 3's data. Expedition Season 3 data. So we're going to just take a look at that today. God, I've been having so many issues with Patreon banner. Jeez. It's really difficult to make stuff work when you have to keep submitting a stupid freaking version of the front end. I can't control that. So things just end up breaking. Why is this screaming at me? Method not found. But this is a thing. This is a definite thing. Maybe I just need to pull latest. Laptop is rendering, even chat is lagging. Oh wow. Oh, what the frick? Oh, it finished. And it changed nothing. So, why have I got two of these? That is really strange. Alright, so... is Edison rubbing his face off on everything? There we go. That's why I decided against becoming a programmer. Dude, there's just bugs that, like, they just crop up. And it's not even your fault. Someone else updated a package and they no longer support the thing that you were using. And then you just gotta fix whatever you've got to make it work. Shoot. I think... No, what? No, what? What? Edison, you silly boy. But I'm on latest. Alright, well, we can't even get the stream started because of this issue now. Why is it screaming at me? It should work. Yeah. 4 days ago. Yeah. So what I'm expecting to see is components, tile presenters, generic, and then in here there should be not that. There should be this one. It does exist. It's right there. See, I told you I wasn't crazy. Okay, I'll do this. Let's try and force it to get latest. I like being a programmer because I can tell the computer exactly what to do. Unfortunately, it's never what I wanted it to do. Okay, let's try this again. I'm expecting the pub spec lock to change. I want it to change to... That's not really what I wanted it to change to. What is its problem? It's the second item. I don't want to... Oh wait, the red squiggles have gone away. What? What? It was these guys that was the problem. And now it found it, but it made no changes. What? Okay. You know what? Life's too short to ask questions. Just accept it and move on. Just pretend like it was always meant to be that way. Oh, Edison. Oh, the camera. I gotta move the camera. His face is in, well, on my side it was in view. Please hold on while I get the overly complicated camera controls going. Come on, camera. There you go. Look at the... Oh, okay, night vision. Go a little bit up. A little bit up. It's funny, it's faster on my Streamlabs than it is on my phone. You can tell the computer what to do. The problem is the computer interprets your instructions wrong. The computer is never wrong. It always follows the instructions to the letter. It's just us how we write it. So I'm checking the schedules now. I see that we're getting blackouts again from 8 o'clock to 10:30. But it looks like we won't be affected. Oh, these poor souls. They tweet out our schedules, our power outage schedules, and this guy's like, "Can I please have tomorrow's schedule as well?" And they responded to it. We promise to update as soon as possible. Dude, like, what the frick are you doing that you can't tell whether or not you're going to switch off an entire suburb's power? It's not even a suburb, it's multiple suburbs. So, it's just crazy. We have a schedule, they don't follow the schedule. We're all left in the dark, literally. And then they're like, oh, we'll update the schedule as soon as we can. Just follow the schedule, don't update it. It's madness, guys. It's absolutely madness. Okay, Captain Steve tweeted. Well, he didn't tweet, he just responded with an unmentioned. Just gonna move the cam again. I need like a dedicated Edison camera phone so I can move the camera. Because he's a bit of a shifty boy. Alright, let's do that. I'm happy with that. I kind of like the night vision more. It's more clear what's Edison and what isn't. Alright. I've got a feature that I think you'll really enjoy, Cyberpunk. If you saw today's Patreon post. I actually don't know if that Patreon post went out. Because it was a scheduled one. I think I'll never move to SA. No one moves here, Lenny. It's a bad idea. Well, it's a good thing that you're thinking that way, to not move here. It wasn't always like this. Back in my day. I'm just kidding, it is my day. Patreon post. Yes, it did go out an hour and a half ago. Very good. Very, very good. Let me just do the little message here in the Patreon special chat for special boys and girls. Oh, I see you added me, Lenny. Asking when live stream. I was only a little bit late. Only little bit many's late. Alright. I'm getting going. I'm moving, guys, slowly. I'm just a little slow because it's cold. Wish you can come to Germany. I wish. That would be very nice. I'm not too keen to learn the language, but I mean, to have stuff working it sounds nice. I had the power go out during a meeting and I was complaining and complaining, and then like my UPS started screaming that it was running out of power, and I was like, oh no, what am I gonna do? You know, I need to keep the UPS on so I have internet. And then like 5 minutes later the power came back on and I was so happy. Words cannot describe how happy you are when the power comes back on. I'll move to something more north, Norway or Sweden. They are better than Germany in my opinion. It seems that way, but they still have issues, don't they? They still got things they got to deal with. Is Cyberpunk here? Because I'm about to show him something he'll really like. Let's do acid. So I added dev properties. I know Cyberpunk asked for it a while ago, or he mentioned it. So now if you click on it, you get a bunch of dev properties. So app ID, that's specific to us, but then like game ID, name, and subtitle, all that stuff is from the game files before I do any sort of mapping. And they get less important the further down you go. There was more items here. There was lists and stuff. I must find what happened to them. But yeah, a little bit of dev code. And what's the other one? Oh yes, and then this expedition percentage thing. That was the thing that someone suggested in the feedback forms. They didn't leave their email, so couldn't tell them, hey, it's going to be there. But it is here now. Of course they have issues, but the internet is better than Germany's, I think. Yeah. Interesting. Should I have put padding at the bottom there? Yeah. Isn't Norway constantly sinking? They don't use euro. Oof. I don't know. I've never heard of that Norway is constantly sinking. What are they sinking about? Get it? Get it? They have the climate change problem. Don't we all have the climate change problem? Alright, let's do a bit more code heavy. Because I need to get the newest version of the Mbin compiler generating stuff for us. Let me double check in the modding Discord. See if we have a new pre-release Mbin compiler. Ooh, I do have a notification in here. Mbin compiler. I'm happy. Okay, there was a lot of chatter here. There's a new DLL. Is that the one you were talking about, Cyberpunk? Emote onlys. How dare you not get enough sleep? Alright, let's download this file. Let's get the new Mbin compiler. Come on, where's my folder? What? There it is. Assistant for No Man's Sky. Data. Chuck that in there. Actually, I should check if I got the experimental version. Play some Far Cry now. Ooh, enjoy those. Oh, which Far Cry though? But me in the middle of Europe, I'm safer than they are up there. Imagine sea levels rising. They have a lot of coast. They'll be affected very bad. Yeah, that one. Ah. What is the emoji in cursive? The emoji in cursive? What? I'm also very safe. I'm like 1,000 meters above sea level. Why is there one guy with Sean Murray role in the modding server? I don't know. I imagine that's like the admin. It would be funny if it was like actually Sean Murray. But I doubt. Alright. I'm now got the new Mbin compiler. I had to make a lot of changes with the previous one. They changed the way the strings are handled. Far Cry Primal. Nice. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna skip the language files for now because they boring. Oh yeah, I was gonna check if I'm on latest No Man's Sky. Because they updated it yesterday, right? I'm not on latest. Alright, well, I also need to do my satisfactory, I see. Come on. This is the experimental branch update then. Thought Monkey Man and the other guy were the admins. I think they are. But maybe there's an admin of the admins. Alright, so I'm gonna do the data mining on this version. And then when we get No Man's Sky updated, then I'll just do it again. And then we can see what changed. Also, I can check in the experimental. We can check for new images. That would be nice. But I don't think they would have added anything new. All the tables decompile properly. Oh, dude, that is epic. That is very good news. Alright. I'm going to assume then that the experimental branch one is going to be just fine, just perfect. Let's get all those intermediate files and app files. Generate all those again. Oh, yes, and I need to... There doesn't seem to be a... Expedition Season 3. We don't have a date, man. That's so silly. If there's no date, then the whole thing freaking breaks. Why did I make it that way? Boy, oh boy. When do you guys think Season 3 is going to start? What should I put as the start date? There was an experiment update today. Oh, was there? Okay, so that's the one that I'm downloading then. Shall we pretend like it'll start in the middle of the month, the expeditions? I'm not going to display it in the apps anyway. We'll pretend it's another 2-week one, just so that the thing doesn't break. Actually, I should just handle this properly. Let me handle it properly. I'm being a lazy boy. So what we'll do is we'll say something like if expedition dates contains key season ID. I hope it will start in the middle. Don't have time for the next week. Yeah, I feel you. I feel like I don't have time at all. Let's do this. No, Edison, don't leave. He was so warm under my foot. Dev Doggo is gone, boys. What? Oh, he came straight back. I think it's cold. He literally jumped off and then I felt him scurry back onto the mattress. We have tiled floor, so it is cold. Oh, okay. Now he's gone for good. Now he's really gone. Okay. Holy crap, he really is Magic Doggo. I can't see him. Alright. I've adjusted camera for when he gets back. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so if I was a start date and an end date. Yep. I'm just going to set the start date and end date to today's date. And then if we can find a date for it, then we use that date. Otherwise, we just default to today's date. No dates. It's a tuple. It's a tuple. I wonder if I can... No, it doesn't look like I can. Oh, it's gonna do something like this, but it's complaining about the... What if I do this? Oh, what? I learned a thing. That's very cool. Shorthand. Future Kurt's gonna be blown away by this. Anyway, that'll just fix that. Let's get back to the actual problem. There you go. I hate time zones. I will go to bed in about 3 hours and I want to get the ISUP video done today. But the guys don't say if it is good or not. Oh, damn. Yeah, that's tricky. I actually got an email from the Twitch approver people. They said that they were going to review my extension at 8:30. Well, they gave it in PDT time, but it works out to like 8:30 my time. So I wonder, like 8:30, someone's going to come into the chat and ask questions about the extension. I don't know why. I think they were very upset with me with the link that I added. And then removed. I removed it. 100%. Okay, Quicksilver items. Yeah, their order changed. What does the app say if I go to it? I wanted to check that earlier today. Oh yeah, very good. The rewards for the current community mission seems to be incorrect. This can happen when No Man's Sky is updated and the community mission order is changed. Please wait for the next update of the app, usually every Friday. for a fix to display the game. I'm so glad I put that warning message there. Hey, Blendman, how's it going? Yeah, long time no see. What link? Hey, Blendman. So, if you went to my channel... Thought I was... Oh my god. Okay, if you go to my channel, you guys can't see it. But the new version of the extension is this red one over here. When you hover over it, it says join my Patreon. And what I had was... Sorry, is that big enough? There you go. So if you hover over it, it says join my Patreon. Where the previous one did nothing. So what I did was I had this just be a link to that person's Patreon. And Twitch was like, no, bad boy. So you're not allowed to link to stuff if it's a third party. If it's not owned by the channel, if they don't own it, you're not allowed to link to it. So that's annoying. But yeah, so they rejected it, and then it takes another 3 business days. Ooh, the recipe for batteries changed. It's cheaper now. That's interesting. And there's just a couple of spelling corrections, and the technology tree's been made simpler, it seems. But you may link to Discord, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. Only those are the links that Twitch allows you to set. But from the panel, I'm not allowed to. They rejected your extension. Yeah, they rejected an update to it. The original extension is there. That's why you guys can see 1, but I see 2 because that's the one that's pending review. Yeah, you would know that if you read the patch notes. I don't read the patch notes. I data mine the game files. Psh, that's how I roll. Okay, so if I refresh this now, and then we look at the community missions, then everything should be in order. Boom, look at that. It's pretty much automated. Passcode, no. Oof. Oof. Passcode doesn't know what the frick he's doing. Oh, the item ID is null for 51, and for... Why would... What? Oh, 51 doesn't exist. Wait, what? Why does it let you go to 52? There is no 52. You got a panel with a Discord link and your own website and music. Yeah, but those are like... I'm not going to fight Twitch on this. I agree with you, Lenny. It is stupid. But, come on, Twitch. Twitch? There we go. So these ones I uploaded myself, right? These are like this is my own image and my own text. Thanks, Restream. All of these are my own text and stuff. The music provided thingy, that I also added myself, and I had to link it. Streamlabs, that's an extension, so it's not allowed to link to other stuff, especially if it's like a payment thing where people can pay for content. So that's the problem with Patreon. They did give me the exact part of the guidelines that I broke, so I could go and look at that. When next dev stream summary video? Dude, I don't know. I really wanted to do it last week, and then when I sat down to do it, I was just like, I can't be asked. But yeah, I really need to do it. I agree. I'm just a lazy boy. Join my only... Lenny, that's actually a pretty good idea for a website. Lenny, that's actually a really profitable idea for a website. We need to talk. It's like, it's OnlyFans, but it's for programmers, and they could like maybe put their NPM packages there. Maybe, dude, you could do some crazy stuff. Let me just bring this back. I like having that backdrop. There we go. Oh yeah, is No Man's Sky updated? Yes. All right, let's take a look at what's changed. So here's my process. You guys are gonna get a sneak peek into the process. I will get a patent on that name. Yeah, it's a good idea. All right, here's the process, right? We go into my modding folder. I rename the unpacked folder name to 3. Whatever we were on. I think we were 3.50, right? And now we'll be on 3.51. Then you have to pay me to use it. Yeah. If we work it out nicely, we could end up paying no tax on it, and you would make a butt ton of money. Because if I pay you all the money for the patent, then I don't pay tax because I don't make any profit. Although I would pay tax on my salary, and then you would end up paying all the tax, of course. Yeah, I'm not too sure how that's gonna work. Alright, they didn't give a frickin' version number, did they? So, that's not helpful. Tax evasion stream win. Assistant for money laundering win. Dude, I wish. I will just get Jeff Bezos on the line. Oh, fuck, I can't talk anything bad about Amazon is great. The Twitch platform is wonderful. It's fantastic. Mods are going to be here to look at the extension possibly, which is so personal. I love it. Waiting 3 days for someone to say yes to an update is fantastic. What were we doing? It's a lot of sus emojis going on there. You guys are sus on me for no reason. Guys, what was it? Oh yes, the community mission is broken. Why is the community mission being a broken boy? Community mission page. I think it's this. I really don't like this manual process, but here we are. 3 days is so fast. I know, right? Please don't send code to one of those Amazon booths. Sus. Dude, like on Android, sometimes they approve the app the frickin' night of our updates. Like, that's crazy fast. You know, iOS takes 3 days, but we can't really complain about that. That's just iOS being iOS. Amazon taking 3 days to look at my Twitch panel? It's mad sus, boys. It's mad sus. Tax evasion, any percent speed run. Okay, I think I fixed that. Let's just refresh and double check. Oh, I see the little voting thing is a little bit in the way, isn't it, boys? Man, what a terrible idea. Why did I make it so big? What size should I make it, guys? 10 times smaller? Or should I put it in the middle of the screen where the codes is? I think I just scaled this. Yeah, I scaled it. Here we go. You guys can read that, right? Amazon booths. Yes, I know about the Amazon booths. Get something to eat. Let me see if I get scared of people. Dude, if you're not scared of people, you're doing something wrong. You know what? I can put this here because you guys don't really care that much about the codes, right? Put that there. We'll put that there. What do you guys think? And then I will move our little Stozor buddy. I don't have the final image of Stozor. The one where I put glasses on him. Oh, it's really unfortunate. That one was cool. We put glasses. No, sorry. Stozor put glasses on all by himself. That's what I'm thinking of. But I gave him the sword over here. Please ignore the dots. The dots will, yeah, there we go. And what else? We give him a little bit of TNT. I did save the TNT last time, like a good boy. I'll just put that over there. How does that look? Yeah, he's doing all the things. Okay. Community mission. Is it fixed? No, but that one is okay. We know about that one. So we need to work on the next issue. The next issue key. Oh, it's actually not complaining. Did it add those by default? Dude, did past Kurt do a good? Nah, that's not possible. No, wait, it's legitimately not possible. No, I'm losing my mind. 6 views and only 2 votes. Roommate wants to make spaghetti alone. I don't know why, but I appreciate it. Yeah. DST. Whoa, Blender man. Whoa. I don't even have it, but I'll buy it. Guys, I think I'm running the wrong command. It's not 4, it's 2. Such dumbs over here. Alright. Thank you. So these are the 13 new items. Very lucky number. Very good number. Everyone loves it. These are the 13 new items. Let me just add everything here so I can see what I change. Alright. Base cave, that's a building item. Base nexus building item. Station key. I kind of feel like it's an other. Damn, thought you had it. Clay makes some good games. I played the demo. I'm pretty sure I don't have it. But I'll buy it. I don't know. I played the demo. I died a lot. I didn't know what I was doing. And then I went, not for me. Thank you. I think... I don't know where I played the demo. Do I have to... I don't think I have to add it, guys. I think I'm being crazy. Also, they don't all have names, which is quite sus. So if you see the name here, that means that it has a name in the game files. Let me bump it up for you guys. Whoa. Look at the beautiful font size. DST. Oh my goodness. We're on 2. Oh my god. Clay makes cool games. Oh boy, I'm in trouble, boys. More people vote satisfactory, quickly. What am I doing? Yes, we're going into Visual Studio, and there's a file called Game ID Mapping. Believe it's this boy. And we just need to add the stuff here. And then everything will be fancy and everything will work. Actually, I'm going to put the station key as a curiosity and not an other, because we have so many stuff in other. I just keep throwing everything. Oxygen not included. I didn't play that game either. I know I'm really bad. I'm making all of you sad. And that's just how I do, man. I just do what I do when I do it. Alright, base stuff. This is all the base stuff. Literally all of it is base stuff. Blech. Okay. And then I just need to... Yeah. No, wait, do I need to copy the... Yes, okay. So, 424, 425, 46, 47. I know, I could probably do something to automate this for me, but it really doesn't feel worth it. For the effort that it takes to do it. Oh, except this part's a little tricky. Because now I gotta change all these to 30s. Okay, did everyone check me? Did I get it right? Yeah. Yeah, it's probably fine. Okay. We cut. I thought I felt Master of Shadows arriving. But I didn't. He sneaks up on you, man. Let's put Master of Shadows where he's supposed to be. Master of Shadows. Rotate him. Just imagine that Eddie Cam is working. There you go. He's just not in the mood to move today. It's cold. It's conserving energy. You know, the things you do. He's like semi hibernating. It's where you're hibernating, but you're not asleep. My saber-tooth insta-killed another saber-tooth, and I think it's pretty cool. You can get a saber-tooth? But why? Just cause? Station key. That's right, station key. Why use custom names and not the game file name for the items? No, so that was the game file name. I think that's what you're asking. Why use custom names and not the game file name for the items? The game file name, did you see earlier Cyberpunk? I was showing off the new developer code thingy. There we go. So show all the, well, I show some of the properties of the item. Are you talking about this game name? The BLD lava plant one name. I know you're not talking about that one. I just tamed them. Yeah. I don't set the name hard coded, but I use the app IDs. Are you talking about the IDs? So generate all these files and then we'll see what changed. Ooh, okay. It complains stuff and it looks like it added it. Yeah. It's a little bit for performance. And yeah, it's mostly just for performance. So like from the actual ID here, I can see that I need to load the curiosities file. And the curiosities file's only got 65 items in it. So, you know, weak source, easy. The buildings, however, the buildings file has 435 items. So it's really heavy. It just makes it easier to load the smaller files when you need to load the smaller files. Otherwise we'd have like one massive file with 1,300 items. Would take too long. Would take too long to load. Cool feature. Developer view is cool. Oh, I'm glad you guys like it. I wanted to add more stuff, but sorry. But I couldn't really think of stuff to add. There was supposed to be stats in here, but I don't know what happened. I gotta go check why the stats aren't showing up. And these building parts and common, they're like that in the game files. I'm not translating them. Nothing in here is translated. Yeah. What are we doing? We should have changes now. Oh my goodness, the Visual Studio Code is so massive. Oh, we've got more developer details for the new items. Very good. We've got, yes, okay, they're in the community mission ID, the Quicksilver page. Station override is there. We don't have an image for it, but that's okay. All right, let's do the images quickly while we're here. Images is 7. Oh. Oh, what? Could not find part of the file. What? Oh yeah, we're still supposed to... Oh, frick. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. I renamed the file. The folder. Because we're going to be unpacking the new stuff. So let me just quickly... Oopsie poops. Oopsie poops. Let me get this thing unpacking so long. So that... because it takes a while. It takes like, I don't know, 5 minutes. Maybe 10 minutes. And while that's going, I'll just make the project look at the new folder. At the old folder, I mean. Not the new folder. Unpacked. Okay. It's going. Up here in the setup is the only place we need to change. I'm pretty sure. Base directory. That's not it. What? Unpacked. Here we go. So instead of unpacked, it's unpacked. I hate you. It's that. You guys can't see it. Sorry. It's a cool thing. Don't worry about it. All right, let's get those images. We need to load English, and then we can go fetch the images, and they'll all populate in here in output. All right, let's see. Building images. Yes, they all came through nicely. Curiosity. Well, that's kind of a plain icon. I thought they would go for something a little bit more fancy. Oh well. Let's get these into paint.net and convert them to PNGs quickly. I still don't have a way to automate this. Like I tried a a library that you should be able to use, a DLL, and everything just turned out faint. So I just didn't use it. So now I have to push these keys in a specific combination. Just like this over and over. Also, I think I've already done this. Yeah, I did this for the patrons. Oh well. We'll just do it again. It's not too many. Still have to step away. Step away. I was thinking of adding sound alerts to the stream because they're kind of fun. But I'd get a hell of a fright each time. The last time we streamed, I got such a fright from the Streamlabs people. What's it? Purchasing those things for bug points. It scared the crap out of me multiple times. So I don't know if I could handle it. I don't know if my heart could handle it. We're gonna have to stop the app and start it again because now we're adding images. I'm gonna zoom out because I can't deal. It's too zoomed. I typed in code, but you guys can't see. Sneaky. All right. So we just grab all these images, all these new items, and go to the app folder. It's images, buildings. Pasta them in there, and then shoot, do I have to do that manually? I think I have to do this manually. Man, passcode was lazy. I think I got to add the image URLs manually. It's not too bad. It's like just a copy pasta, but is annoying. Oh, not that one. This one. 424, 425. You see, these don't have names. They're just gonna be blank names. They're all decorations. This one's got a name. This one's got a name. Oop. I'm gonna change all the images just now. I'm gonna do it all in one shot. I'm gonna use a fancy trick. You guys ready? Just gonna do this and this. I'm setting my cursor in all the places. 422. Gotta go a few more times. 422, 422. I think one more? Nah, that's good. So what I do is I'm actually moving the cursor a butt ton of times now. PNG, do that. Boom. So now they should all be the same down here. 426, 427, 429. Yep, they're all good. They're all good. Before we do the Flutter run, let me just go fix this new item. Oh, it's in curiosities. It's not in other. Curiosity. Right at the bottom. Curiosity 65 is the station override. But I'm pretty sure we have the exact same icon that's being used already. Easy clap. Easy boy. That's like my favorite feature of VS Code is the multi-cursor thing. So you can do like cursor there, 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 there. And then you move around with your cursor and do stuff. And it's great because it works with the home and start commands. Anyway, I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, I think we're just gonna paste that image again into curiosities. Oh shoot, I gotta go all the way back. I didn't keep the folder open. Like a dum-dums. Game data. Output. Curiosities. We just gotta convert that to PNG. PNG. Ooh, what did I drag? Hope it was nothing important. Curiosity. If I was a curiosity, I would be in here. Cool. Curiosity 65 would have the image of Curiosity 65. It all checks out. And then we can just tell the app to run again. The mini Loba votes for No Man's Sky. I will take that into consideration. I still have a vote, you know. I might waste it on something like Satisfactory. I'm really curious about how the Twitch update people are going to come into the stream. How they're going to check the thing. I'm not getting any emails, so... Well, they haven't sent any emails to me, so we'll see. Mini Lopez saved Kurt's wallet. Yeah, you know, if I buy it, then the patrons have to wait another day for an update, you know? Got to use that patron money wisely. Oh, yeah, I'm just waiting for the app to build. But while it's building, we can check out the unpacking. Unpacking is still taking a while. Hey. These processes are so slow, man. This one's not actually my fault. But Nomad's guy is on the SSD, so the unpacking should be faster for me than it is for other people, I'd say. Does the patron banner thing have a blue line for you at the top of the screen? Like a blue background? I can't tell with my glasses. But it's definitely supposed to have one. Orange. We go more orange. It's for our eyes. Hey! Modding station finished. Come, mouse. My mouse didn't want to do what I wanted it. There's a blue background. Ah, okay, awesome. I'm blue blind with these orange glasses. But when I take them off, everything looks blue. So, you know. Yep. Alright, awesome. I made that customizable, so as soon as Twitch approves the update, then everyone who's got the patron banner extension installed, they can customize that. They can change the font color and the background color and the background opacity. And there's a few more customizations for like a round avatar and how you want your Twitch panel to look. But it all depends on the extension being approved. Hint, hint. Oh shoot, I should have actually staged everything before I started this so we could see what's changed. Did I make it in time? I don't want to do the language files. They're like 81 files of meh. Oh yeah, nothing would... Okay, no, it's all good, it's all good. Think of making the Mini Lopo Twitch account for reasons, but not for streaming. Yeah, so you can watch your stream while he's in the crib, you know? I mean, that makes sense. Shall we do the language files? I don't think they would have changed anything. Everything looks fine. Let's do this. This is the middle ground. We'll generate intermediates, generate the app files. Ooh, stuff did change. Ooh, they made changes to seasonal expeditions. Alright, we're gonna check that out. I'm just gonna run the... Oh, hang on a second. I still have the root as the wrong thing. Oh man, I stoops. Alright, we gotta decompile again. But hang on, why would the expeditions have changed? Oh, because of the daytime now. That's gonna catch me out every single time. That was so stupid. Okay, and then the Curiosity's got a new image. Building should also have a new image. Oh, that's all in products. Okay, nothing changed. You're gonna use him as an emoji clicker bot in your quest for emoji leaderboard domination. Your own son isn't spared. Wow. That got intense real quick. Holy cow. Lol, no comment. Boy, oh boy. Let's not do the language files. Oh, the language files did update. What? Why? Are there new language files maybe? No. Lock 6. Okay, I guess they just changed. Maybe there's new language files after all. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, I should have run the normal stuff. Shoot. Okay, let me run the intermediates and the app stuff. Not on my PC at the moment, but maybe later, lol. Okay, gonna generate intermediates, gonna generate app files. Did stuff change? No, nothing changed. All right, then we'll just do the mbin files again, and we'll do the languages this time. They updated some lang stuff. Don't you read the patch notes? I don't, Lenny. You're the one that tells me the patch notes. You're my patch notes bot. Let's go see what they changed. Do you want me to regenerate the German thing for you, Lenny? The German translations. Oh my god. The language files take so long. Oh, and there's like 81 files of them. I'm even doing them in parallel. So like not one by one. I'm doing 5 at a time. They take so long. Where's time for patch notes? Exactly. I was literally in a meeting when the Prism update dropped. That's why I was an hour late to the party and saw it on Twitter. Like only responded an hour later on Twitter to all the shenanigans. Okay, well, I can see here that Polish updated. Don't know why it doesn't start with English. Fix some mistranslated text in the Bytebeat library. Oh. That's not as fun. From the newest experimental that released yesterday. That's not fun. Anywho's. Let's see what changed here. Looks like we've got new developer details. Oh no, that's the new stuff. That's fine. That's all good. Buildings changed slightly. That's also still the new stuff. Okay, so I think it's trying to tell me that nothing changed. But we should have the new items. I guess if I just go all items, I'll see the stuff with no text. Or maybe a scary red screen of death. Or maybe I need to reload the app. It's one of those. There we go. Look at those beautiful, beautiful bastards without names. I don't like that. Also, it feels extra laggy on the app. The app doesn't like having stuff without text, apparently. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't like it. Oh no, that's fine. Nah, doesn't like it. I don't like it either. I don't like them being there with no text. Oh, what? They're not even in the community mission. Oh, that's strange. That's kind of awkward. So the ones that don't have names are not lined up in the community mission yet. Interesting. Please release like this. Oh, really? You want the empty names right at the top of the screen? This will put all of these at the top of the screen for every single language. One glass. One whole glass, guys. I don't know. You can see the developer settings, developer code of it. If you're a patron, of course. Huh. Or should I just say seconded? Yes. Should I should I not maybe just say like unknown instead of just the empty text? People are gonna think it's broken. You know, if it says unknown, then at least it's like we know that it's fooked. I got a Slack message. I just gotta go check out what's going on. Who's slacking me? No one? Then why did I get the noise? Is that... Oh, okay. It's just a cron job that failed. Nothing to worry about. I want to see what the reviews are going to be like. No, Lenny. I will compromise with you and go to unknown. To just have them all say unknown name or something. And not have that be translated into the different languages, because that's a pain. And then leave them in the app. But because you see, the problem is, right, people are going to review the app and say, they're going to say, oh, 3 stars, it's broken. And then they never come back to fix it, Lenny. They never come back to change their rating once the fixes are made. So, you know, it makes me very sad, Lenny. Where would I even do this fix? It would be somewhere in here, like, maybe even a bit earlier. So I'm thinking maybe the place where I get it from the game files. There's this sneaky little function that gets reused. You can change ratings. You can update your review. If like the developer comes back and says, and fixes it, you know, then you can update your review. But people don't tend to do that. They forget about it. Forget about it. That reminds me, I need to update my rating. Oh God. Wait. Lower? No. Say it ain't so. Product localized. Dude, I don't know what the frick I did back in the day. What is this? Oh, those are requirements. So if it's an upgrade, do stuff. If it's not an upgrade, somewhere in here, I just gotta say like, ooh, what if I do it in there? What if I use like 100% of my brain? Oh, I can't do it in there. Damn it. Thought I was clever, but I'm not. Alright, if the item is found, I can just do a little check over here. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Somewhere over here. For all the if statements. Okay, maybe over here. So we just say something like if... Yeah. String dot is null or empty. So if the name is empty... Oh, yeah. Hey, distraction squad. They don't forget. They don't know they can. Oh. Dev is weird, but has cute dog 4 stars. Oh, damn. Is that what your review was, Cyberpunk? Oh, wait. Or is that just Lenny saying that? I actually, like... I have the name lower localized. Like, I don't need the name localized. The name localized is always just capitalized. You can get a Sentinel Walker PNG from Passion. I stole the Gek with the headphones doing the chef kiss. I thought that was epic. But I did not see the Sentinel Walker. Oh, hello. Hello there, sir. Man, I really got to add a feature to this meme deck page I made to like flip images, because I'd love for this walker to be looking in the opposite direction. You know? You know? When Stozor gets back. What else have we got? We got that one. That's a pretty cool one, I guess. Maybe we should have like a repository of just all of the weird images they add to the patch notes. The PNGs, not the screenshots. Bytebeat, that's a normal bytebeat. We don't need that. We're too cool for... Ooh, a little beetle? I wish they would have chosen a butterfly, but... Okay. And then nothing else, I guess. Jeez, the patch notes are long. No, why did I close it? Why did I close it? No. Keep that there, and then... What's the emulator? That's the emulator. in chat is that one. There are 2 of them on top of each other. Oh, really? I didn't even notice. How do I ask someone to send me a video file as a PNG sequence without looking weird? I don't think you can, Lenny. That's kind of sus. Do you want it as a PNG sequence 60 frames per second? So 60 PNGs per second of video. I don't know, Lenny. That sounds like way too much effort. If you ask someone to do that, I bet you they would pause like every second and take a screenshot and then just send it to you. It's a weird solution, but it would technically work. Technically, it would work. 24 frames. Oh yeah, that makes a difference. Like half the images, half the file size. I just don't want compression. What, you mean like you don't want the video file to be compressed when it gets sent? Because that's kind of like, why don't they just... There's an option in Premiere but not in DaVinci, sadly. Yeah, I don't imagine that's a common thing. Like, it's not often that you'd want to do that. There's very few situations, I imagine. Ugh, what? Kurt, what the frick are you writing here? Unknown name. I actually got to talk to... Yes, I don't want it to be compressed 10 times. Gee, Sabertooth is OP, wiped out entire enemy camp by himself. Oh, damn. I actually got to ask, like in the No Man's Sky modding Discord, like why Monkey Man was so fast on the Mbin compiler this time. It was crazy. I have tons of PNG secrets on my hard drive and my trash can. I shift delete everything. Nothing goes to my trash can. If you delete something, you intend to delete it. Make it be gone. That's my philosophy anyway. I literally had like a little text file on my desktop on my work computer for like 2-3 months, which just had the items that every one of my team members ordered for takeaway and the amount that we spent on each item, so that I could have, well, I submitted that to get money back from the company, to be like, I paid for lunch, pay me back. And I had it on my laptop for like 2 months. And then the one day I was just like, this is so silly. Like, why am I keeping this? I don't need it. And I shift deleted it. And like not even an hour later, I got an email saying, we've lost the record of all the transactions that happened on that day. Can you please send it to us again? And that was really sad, man. That really hurt my feelings. Ooh, you know, these items, if their name is unknown name, they'll be at the top of the list in Russian. Because they won't have the, what is it, Cyrillics? They won't have the fancy characters. Alright, cool. Q. I need to add a new, whatchamacallit. Oh, and we get to do a new image. You know, you can turn that delete notification off. Which one? The shift delete one. No H.264. No FFmpeg. I'm sure there's a setting in FFmpeg to disable compression. FFmpeg is like crazy powerful. Add new items. Alright, let me go steal that cover image from the No Man's Sky Pete. Oh, I pushed Control W instead of Control T for new tab. Oh, goodness. My love for shortcuts has bitten me in the buttocks. Alright, I'm gonna hide the poll. No reason at all. Just gonna hide that. Don't worry about it. Doesn't compress anything. It's a tool to do different stuff. Just a lossless render, edited and exported as a PNG sequence so I can import it and put my own uncompressed music under it. Music is ripped from somewhere, it says obviously compressed. I'm gonna eat dinner now. Thought the video already existed. Lurk. Enjoy, Lenny. Let's steal this cover art. Save as. That's not it. I'm trying to think, like, how can we make a little pop-up appear on, like, the first time launching the app, you know? Oh, wait, what? What are these images? These are not the images I'm looking for. What? Oh, okay, it's there. Jeez, it's freaking out for a second there. I was seeing just the background and not the inside. Here it is. All right, that needs to go to assistant apps. This one, update, expeditions, prism time. Oh, it's prisms. Oh, Kurt, you're such a disappointment. Oh my god. It's plural. They're always plural. Prisms. Okay. I think I might need to restart the app to get that image in. Not looking forward to that. Okay, prisms. Prisms. It's a weird name for an update, actually. Good timing though on Hello Games' side. This one. Pasta that in there. Do a hard refresh. Laugh my ass. Come on, buddy. You can load the image. I know you can. Make us proud. So I'd love to have the little pop-up show here, you know, just on the home screen. And you'd be like, what? Because right now, people don't know that they can click on this. And it's not their fault. Like, it's not very obvious. Okay. Okay. Something is pressing against my ears. It's my headset, I know. But I don't know what inside my headset is pressing against my ears. Okay. We need new items. That's what it's called. And I do need to keep this file open. Close that one. Close. Alright, so the new items. We need a new GUID. Although this GUID is going to be... Where's the admin? We need the admin page. Admin page, please. We need a new what is new GUID. And then we make it the same here. And then we reuse it in the draw header. I know, it's very confusing. It's kind of just the legacy architecture that we're left with. So, let me add it here. And we'll steal the notes, the release notes from here. So show percentage complete. Maybe number 1 we should say. Added new items from update 3.50. I think that's just kind of what we decided the update is. Because, you know, Hello Games doesn't tell us what the name is of the update. So we're mostly guessing. Sometimes they tell us. But they haven't done it today. Or yet. For this update. 8.4. This is build number 210. Which means there's been pretty much 210 updates. Not 100%, but pretty much 200 updates. Which is a little bit crazy. Legacy architecture. Jeez, like having a stroke over here. We kind of just work around the legacy code and just pretend that it doesn't exist. Alright. Oh, I didn't copy the GUID. This one. We just click this button. All good. All good. Now I can pasta it over here. And then we'll just call it Prisms update. Prisms. When was it? Was the update yesterday? When was the update? Was it yesterday? Doesn't feel right. Was it on the 1st? Let me go check my Slackies. You gotta do 210 more updates to reach the holy number. I could, you know, just make it be that number. Yeah, yesterday. The prison's update was yesterday. Jeez, it feels like ages ago. And we just had someone sign up with a Patreon banner. Shall we go check out their channel? Shall we go be sneaky? I get a webhook notification when people do that. Their new streamer. And they don't have it on their about page. Which is unfortunate. But if they do have a Patreon. I don't want to show it on screen in case like they don't want me to do that, you know? Yes, I think all days blend together to me now. Yeah, same. Tuesday. Okay, so they went live on Tuesday. Tuesday. Oh, they got a lot of patrons. Oh, damn. Okay, so I guess we'll just give it a while for them to put the panel on their about page. Very cool. Very cool. And I think once it's on the about page, then it'll be fine to show it, right? Then it'll be fine. And then we're going to say hi. Yesterday was the 2nd. That's what we were busy doing. Geez, I don't know how I remembered that's what we were doing. Dude, I don't know. The days, they're all lies. I think I have a more accurate way of doing this. We go to the buildings over here. And then I do my magic cursor thing again. Where I just pasta all the things in here. Oh shoot, now I'm technically watching this stream. You don't know, you didn't hear anything. Do that. Boom. Look at this. Look at all that. Look at all those commas. That's how I roll. And then I can pasta. Kurt, when a big boy uses Patreon banner, I can milk this. I'm just happy to see someone using it that has patrons. Like, the extension was built with my patron list, because that's what I was testing with. And then I never handled the situation that if someone had no patrons. And if they have no patrons, the panel's just empty. Like, it looks awful. Well, first it would just show sample data. And that didn't look wonderful either. And then it was empty. And now it's empty. But as soon as Twitch approves my update, it's now 8:30 Twitch peeps. Then the extension will show a join my Patreon centered in the middle of the panel, which is definitely nicer than a blank panel. So yeah, I want to see someone that's got a good amount of patrons using it. There's no premium options on it yet. Okay, maybe they didn't like it and they didn't put it on their page. Alright, well, that's unfortunate. Maybe I'll check, maybe in like a day's time. It's just like in denial. It's like, it'll be fine, Ooh, I heard the email noise. Oh my god, I got so many emails. 6 emails all of a sudden. Oh, it's Cloudflare. Cloudflare spamming me that they saved me 37 gigs? What's this? What are you saying, Twitch? Yay! It's been approved, guys. It's been approved. What are they? No response. Ah, okay. The extension has been approved. That means that does that mean I'll have 2 extensions or 1 extension on my... Huh. Yep, I got 2 extensions. I got double Patreon banner. Is that a thing you can do? Can you install like a specific one? A specific version? Okay, well, it's a good day, guys. It's a good day. New Twitch streamer that joined Patreon banner. You're gonna love the new extension. It's fantastic. I've been waiting a freaking I submitted it on the 26th. Oh, that's the other thing. Oh my god, guys. I submitted it on like a Thursday. And then, you know, Friday would be day 1. Monday would be day 2. Tuesday would be day 3. You know, that's 3 business days. I counted on my fingers. I double checked the maths. So, and then obviously the weekend doesn't count. So it was a couple of days. On the Monday, I was ranting about the update taking so long to be approved. And then one of my friends is like, there's a public holiday in the US. And I was like, oh God. And it moves it up a day. Then on Wednesday, they responded. When was Wednesday? Was that yesterday? Frick, I don't know. They responded. And then it was like, oh, it's rejected. So then I submitted again. It's just awful. I hate the process. It's awful with Android and iOS as well. If you want to see what it looks like with no patrons, hit my channel. Ooh. Well, you can also tell me, Cyberpunk, if you like the way it looks. And if you don't, you have to give me 3 days time to build it, and then like 3 days time for it to be approved, and 3 working days. Drewby, who's Drewby? Oh yes, I know who Drewby is. I can't get to your channel. I click here on you. There we go. Gotcha. Let's go to the about page. Let's go to the about page. Oh, it's broken. Oh, it's broken. Wait, do I have to? No, it's broken. Oh no. That's not what it's supposed to look like. Twitch. Please unapprove my extension. No, I'm joking. Don't do that, Twitch. Also, where is our Master of Shadows? He's hiding today. Twitch extension. Just go double check it. I don't think there's anything in here that I should hide from you guys. You know, other than all the things. Console. Oh, why is it in light mode now? Okay, Patreon banner. Let's just double check that. Oh, it's been approved, but I have to click the button to release. Release. It's free. It's been freed. Okay, so now let me refresh your page. Oh, it's not centered, but oh, it's broken. That's always me, Cyberpunk. Why you gotta cut me so deep? All right, well the button is there. Yeah, obviously it doesn't link anywhere because it's against the terms. I actually think I thought of doing like a mean thing, like if you click the button, it brings up the Twitch guidelines. And it's like I'm not allowed to link. But in the end, I just went with like, screw it. You know, we'll just won't let it do anything. I got another email. What's in this email? Okay, it's Twitch saying it's been updated because I clicked the release button. Thank you, Twitch. It's true, it's live, guys, it's live. Which means there's customization now, Cyberpunk. So you can customize it from the configure page. I worked hard on it, I hope it works. Because if it doesn't, I'll be very, very sad. Very sad. Alright, back to the app. Distraction over. Show us what it looks like. Okay. You got it. Control D. That one. Bleh. There we go. Oh. There. Unfortunately, not centered, but button, not empty. So, you know, I like that. I think that's good. Good enough. And obviously it was way cooler when you could click on it and it would take you to Patreon, to your patron. But, you know, I can't do that as previously mentioned. But, yeah. They didn't say anything about this link, though. So, shh, don't say anything about this link. Yeah. I have an example of someone with a few patrons. Ooh, Edison's coming back. Dev Doggo's coming back. Let me delete the image. Oh, camera's not. Frick. Oh, camera is live. No, it's not live. Okay, but Dev Doggo's back. Oh. He just appears and it's like nighttime all of a sudden. I can't get that Insta app to work. It's because I didn't build it. That's why. Let me quickly check. I've got some Twitch streams here. Is it that one? It sends me the links. Although I formatted it really terribly. I think it's this person. On their about page. I think they've got a... There we go. That's what it looks like when you've got a few patrons. Although, it should have a background. Why doesn't it have a background? Well, I mean, you can turn it off. You can turn the background off, but just want to make sure it's not something that I did. This one. Display type 0. Huh. It looks like something I did. Hello? Damn. Hydrate. I'm lucky I got a Coke today. Do you enjoy this power you hold over me? You wield above me. Anyway, these settings are not... you guys can't really see it, it's tiny. These are not the default settings. I suspect I just need to clear the cache for this channel ID. And then the default settings will come through. Because I was testing with this account before. Don't tell them, but I was testing. I was just making sure everything was working. I think you just have to accept, you know, if you install the Twitch extension, then I know everything. You know, what can you do? I know all actually you get a lot of information from the Twitch extension library. It tells you all sorts of things like person's channel ID and gives you their auth token so you can go fetch more details about their account. Draw menu. Obviously I don't do that. I'm nice. Oh, I didn't do the thing. Why didn't it do the thing? That's not the latest GUID. Yeah, that's not the latest. Do it again. Reload. This time, this refresh it'll work. 100%, no doubt in my mind. Click the button. Why does it load for so long? Okay, cool, it did work. I don't know why it didn't work the first time, but... cool? I don't know. I don't know if I like these. This bubble vat. Bubble vat's pretty cool. It's like in line with the pipes. How the pipes look. Which the pipes aren't going to be released anytime soon, right? Let's go check that community mission. Yeah, this is like the last thing on the list. Did they remove the pipes? They removed the pipes. Yeah, bugs. You're gonna earn bug points. All right. Posture check. How did you know? Hit. Let me get a bit closer into my desk so I sit up a bit straighter. And if I put the mic over here, then I can't lean forward anymore. Big brain attack right there. And then we'll put the thingy here so you can't see. That looks like I'm sniffing his butt. Now I'm gonna put it back. That was a terrible idea. I take it back. Shall we add another GIF while we're here? Distraction squad time. I got the chocolate one. The eating the chocolate. Or should we bring Jafif back? Or cat dance. No wait, that one's got no transparency. We'll bring the chocolate. Ooh. There you go. You can't see the mic then. Every now and then. Do that. Yeah. That's all good. What was I doing? Oh yes, I was going to use this app GUID No, I just missed chat. There we go. Just gonna use this app GUID in all the main files so that we can check out the what is new. Ducky dancing. Do you like the ducky dancing one? I got that one at the readies. Come on. Where should we put ducky dancing? Over here by chat. So he obscures a little bit of chat. Edison, you're not supposed to be chewing. You're not supposed to be chewing, Edison. Alright, well. I spoke to him about it. And he laughed at my face. What do you guys think of Ducky being on top of the chat? That one kind of went popular, that duck dancing gif, right? People started posting it everywhere. How's the mic thing working out? My posture is better now. But what's the sound quality like? Like, is it too loud? Actually, I do see it spikes. Let me do that. Let me do this. How about this? How about that? New fan of Ducky Dance. Ducky Dance is pretty good. He's in the stream intro as well. The stream starting. Let me switch that and show you guys. Just a quick one. Yeah, he's there behind Stozo's thing. We got the minion and the hamster dancing. Those are the three that are on the start screen. Even, oh my god, I'm having a stroke. Made a video about it. Even IMC on a later stream or dedicated video on how to use your green screen overlay. Ooh, yeah, maybe I should do that on my Chaos Topsy channel. Listens to me, syncs with the music. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, it does. It does feel like it's perfect. Had to turn the volume down. Must I turn my volume down to like there? Or I could just move the mic back to where it was. Because now, you know, let's just do that. We'll keep the chocolate there. I'll put it here by my chest. Then I can't lean forward anymore. Laney's back. Oh my goodness. Quick, everyone, stop talking about him. Also, let's go check if the what is new is working. Didn't have anything really. Came back to 4 pings. 4 pings. What happened? Did I ping? Nope. Who pinged you, Lenny? Who did this to you? And how do we attack them? Were people saying at Lenny? I didn't even notice. Roommate made a full bowl of noodles. This guy's insane. Sounds like he knows what he wants. And that's noodles. Hey. 1.8.4. That's like 8 months old. Who made this typo? Who made this typo? Who's gonna get fired? Boop it. Oh, did it pick up the new items? Oh, it did. And then you see the prisms update. 1 ping from Brit, 3 from Yuka. Can you review my JavaScript project? Yeah, sure. And thank you for commenting on the YouTube channel. Mad cool. Can you send a link? If it just remove all the dots so that it doesn't get picked up as a URL. You have triggered my late night noodle cravings. Oh boy. Late night noodle cravings. Actually, I really don't like noodles. I was in boarding school, and for every mealtime there was always someone eating noodles. It really put me off. Like literally lunch, breakfast, lunch and dinner, there was always someone eating noodles, heating it up in the microwave. So I smelled that for every mealtime, and I just cannot take noodles. Boarding school noodles are the worst. They really are, and they always choose cheese flavor. Tej, I hope I'm saying your name right. It doesn't come to me if you put a link in. I think it's protected, but I will double check. It's got to be without the dots. But I'll quickly check the chat on this side. But I will double check. Yep. No, I can't see it. you'll have to send it without the dots. And then I will figure out where to put the dots to go to the URL. Because Twitch and YouTube block it. They don't allow you to send links because it's potentially malicious that other people can click on. The Chinese people students always bought Chinese noodles. That stuff smelled through the walls. I don't know, I've never had Chinese noodles before. Sounds good. Otherwise you can give me the name and I can search on GitHub for it. Ah. You want me to look at it on stream? You want me to look at it in secret? Group it. That's not it. Stop it, Chrome. Oh my god, Chrome. I got it. Look at these elite hacker skills. Ooh, you use search.sh? That's very cool. Built with Next.js and React. Nice. That means, ooh. I like how pretty it is. Are you using Toaster for this? This feels like Toaster. Okay. Oh, okay. I like that you got dark mode in there. That's very cool. Ways to help. Okay. Oh, these are all going to external sites. What's this one? What did I look at? Counter.dashboard. What is the counter dashboard for? Is that like your public analytics? Oh, those are all external links. 2 more pings from Apex. My Wi-Fi bridge died for a moment. Feedback. Okay. I think maybe you need to put some tooltips on. Hang on. Okay, no, you've got them there. But maybe Tipsy? You're using React, right? Tipsy's got a nice tooltip thing. Because I don't think everyone's going to hover over the things for that long. I can show you a demo. Oh, that one, showcase. It's probably that one. Tipsy's the one that I've used before. Look at that. Yeah. So if you had the left one. Why is it talking? Anyway. That's one thing. Like I know Twitter, but this one I didn't know. Or that one, or that one. Or that one. I was just clicking. And now I'm kind of just clicking on everything. Oh. Does this one link to itself? Okay. Enter video source. Okay, okay. Shit. Dude, you got a lot of stuff going on here. I'm just gonna click random stuff. Actually, do you have South Africa? Oh, it's fine. We probably don't have. Okay. Where's this one? Disney Channel South Korea. Okay. Well, let me just go back to the cozies. Thanks for the React tips. I'll use that. Yeah, no probs. What do you really want me to look at? Because I don't think I can really. If the streamy thing worked, I don't think I can really show it on stream. Do you want me to look at the codes? How about next? Dude, Surge is cool. I've always wanted to do it, but I never pulled the trigger. Want to look at a juicy pic. Lenny abusing your moderator stuff. Okay, I'm lucky. That is cool. I've seen a few people on Twitter doing that spiral. What was I going to look at? Oh yes, the React cozies. Fixed typo. Are you using styled components? Oh no, okay, you got SCSS. Nice. SCSS always good. In your index, are you... Okay, no, that's good. Thought you were going to be re-exporting stuff. Pick one from Yuka. Contexts. Are you using context provider? Okay. How do you find the context provider? Like I've only used it in a few places, mostly for dependency injection. For state, I found I've played with Redux a lot. I found a new one, and I'd have to go look at the name. I think it's like PlayState. PlayState. No, that's not it. Something like that. That one I found pretty nice, but yeah, it's pretty much what you're comfortable with. Components. Oh, one thing I gotta check is, do you have draggable false on your images? Scandal. Welp. How's it going, our cappuccino? It's just a thing, a little bit of my own pet peeve. Those I don't think you can do. Those are links. On the actual HTML element, you can set draggable to false. So if you add an attribute, draggable equals false, like so, then you can't drag images. Shoot, that's a link, isn't it? Actually, let me try. I don't think I've ever tried it on a link. Draggable false. Oh yeah, I like that so much more. I'm learning Recoil.js lately, and I'll see if I can switch context with that. Recoil.js. I haven't heard of that. Ooh, okay. Looks cool. I imagine it'll be similar to Redux. Let's see. No. Atoms. Oh, okay. Sounds cool. Use recoil state. Yeah. I feel like they're all going in this pattern. The Redux one is a little bit different. It'll be a bit confusing. The one that I'm using right now also has this. But it's not called use set recoil state. It's called something else. Can't think of it. Anyway, the draggable thing it's not really necessary. It's just something that I prefer always being on. Was it this one? Yeah, I couldn't watch any live channels. I think I went through it all. I like it. It's pretty simple. Maybe the font just needs to be bigger. But then again, I am on a big screen. If I put it on my normal screen, yeah, maybe it could be bigger. The center text, that is. So is your analytics live? Damn, that's fancy. I wonder who I might confuse with that and how. Oh, I don't. Oh, when you kill your first Sentinel Walker. Wow. Just gonna yoink that. Just gonna put that. Oh, Edison Cam froze. That's not Edison Cam. That is. Yeah, good job, Taj. Is there anything else you want me to specifically look at? I think the tooltips was my biggest contribution. What do you think, Edison? You like tooltips? Let's look at the dev Doggo. Yep, that means he likes tooltips. Usually when you search it, it will remove remaining items that does not match with filtered text. Oh, is that the hit? Where was it again? This searchy boy over here. Oh, if I search a channel. I don't know what to search. I thought it was searched country and not... Oh, no way, it's working. I like your toasts. But this one, buffering. But I know that's not your fault. Gonna get striked to hail. How goes the poll? I'll never tell Cyberpunk. If you keep search empty, you will see 11,000 channels. Holy. Is that... I hope that's not a network request. It's all JSON, right? Yeah, it's all JSON. What are you using for country icons? Oh, okay, an npm package. Now I'm gonna start sneaking a peek at your JavaScript, your JSON. I would expect it to be JSON. How are you saving it? Scandal. Is that data then kept secret? Because you're not making an API call for it. Just had a look at my stats from Minecraft schematics. Oh yeah? And what does it look like, Al Cappuccino? Content. No. Oh wait. Links? No. Is that something you keep in on your build? Very suspicious. Let's see. If I search for that in your repo. Okay. Okay, we got channel boxes. URLs. Wasn't I just there? Where's URLs coming from? From channel? Oh, from menu context. Ah, from channels list. One up. JavaScript file. No. Text. Ah, I don't see where it's coming from. From item. Nah, I don't know where it's coming from. Root for databases open source. Oh, really? Search IPTV on GitHub. Oh, okay. I didn't see the network request. Or is it maybe... Is it because it's like over here on upload? No? Huh. Weird. Okay. Oh, wait. I still got the JSON thing. Why don't I see any XHRs? Oh, it's very cool, dude. With the Next.js. I want to play around with Next.js. But I haven't gotten around to it. Oh, it's a JavaScript. Yeah. I don't know where you're hiding it. I use that repo to make a JSON file on the server side. Ah. Okay. That's why it wouldn't show up in network requests. Check common folder. Oh, I lost it. Might be worth it to put your GitHub repo on here, since you're going to have it public anyway. You know? Have a link to that. I don't know. I'll give you... Oh, you've already got a couple of stars. Is this your way of advertising? Is this a sneaky? Can programs install fonts? I wonder why I have different fonts on my PCs, although I can't remember installing anything specifically. I feel like yes. I think Photoshop gives you some fonts on the install. Average overall at 750 downloads on all. Oh, nice, Al Cappuccino. Edison's busy destroying his bed. But yeah, very cool. Very cool, Tej. Do you use this service yourself? Because that would be very cool. I'm very interested in that BBC one. That one. Oh my goodness. That's many. Edison scratching in his bed. So red bad, blue good, right? That would make sense. Ooh, and you got even a favorites feature. I didn't even see that. Oh, wait, what? I don't think the copy worked for me there. Yeah, it's not copying for me. I don't know if I'm blocking something. Nah, it's not adding to my clipboard. Or is that copy not doing what I'm thinking? Ooh, I can't push play on it either. So maybe the link is empty. Could that be it? Yeah, that link is empty. This one is World News one. This guy. So that's why it's not adding it to the clipboard. Okay. So maybe that's something you want to look at. I don't know. It makes sense if the link is empty, it shouldn't copy to clipboard. But yeah, very cool, Tej. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna look at it later in my history. Maybe there's a show or something I want to watch. Channel I want to watch. Edison's gone, guys. He just went like. Yep. I don't got biscuit for you. Come to your bed. Come. There you go. No. Okay, should I give him a biscuit, guys? Should I bring up a poll for whether or not I should give him a biscuit? Alright, please hold on. Held my hand out to tell him not to come, not to walk towards me, and he's been such a good boy. He stayed here. Here you go. There you go. You want another one? Such a biscuit hungry doggo. Alright. Alright, now it's done. I gave you the whole biscuit. Shame, mister. Shame. There's never enough biscuits in the world, I agree. Alright. I'm so comfy in my blanket and chair. Let's never leave. Give him a biscuit. Red text mainstream uses HTTP, green uses HTTPS. Oh, okay. Nice. Guess he's making some late night noodles. Got even better Sabretooth. Oh, nice, Dozel. Yeah, it's very cool, Tej. I know it was explained what the green and the red was, but in the FAQ section, but I skipped over it. I saw it and I skipped over it. I was like, I know what it means. I probably should have just read it. There's nothing you can do about stupid users like me, unfortunately. Geez, guys, I think our update is there. We've got everything set up. I can't think of anything else I needed to do or to check. Ping the page in Minecraft game if you want to take a look later. Awesome sauce, I will. Let me check. Oh. Am I not Minecraft gang? What do you mean ping the page? At here. Oh, it doesn't notify me with the at here. Huh. Very strange. There's a way back from 2016. Thanks for your time, mate. I'm gonna use the reactivity thing. Cool beans, no problem, Tej. Yeah, I hope the criticism wasn't bad. I hope you hope there wasn't anything bad I said. Anything that upset. Very cool stuff nonetheless. Missing poems to do at you and at everyone. Okay. That makes sense. Feel like we should keep it that way. Keep my notifications low. Edit channel. Who can? Minecraft gang. There's so many options. Holy fudge. Okay, Minecraft gang. You should be allowed to do that. Mention. There you go. I don't like that it mention at everyone is not separate from at here. Anyway, Minecraft gang, you can now do at here's in there. Am I Minecraft gang? I am Minecraft gang. That's right. What's up with my profile? Look at this, guys. Look at this. I clicked on my profile and there's a little white banner at the back. Set a server nickname. No, that's not it. Oh, is it because I'm live on Twitch? Is it because of this? At here it works. Well, there you go. I even heard it ping on my laptop. Very cool. Alright, we got the latest No Man's Sky game files. We decompiled. We double checked everything. Let's go check the Steam DB because I haven't been looking at Twitter now for a while. Starting to feel the withdrawal symptoms. No man's. Typing with one finger because my other hand I'm warming up. It's very cold. Edison, why do you gotta keep running away? Okay, depots. Okay, cool. Everything's from yesterday. That's pretty much what the app says. Right? App says 1 day ago. That's all good. Release notes, yeah. Prism update is there. Prism update is there. Announcing No Man's Sky Prism. Isn't this the one that said, maybe that one had a build number in it. Do you know, Lenny? It's fancy that the depots now load in the same page and not load a new one. Is it? Oh, on... You're talking about on Steam DB. Wasn't it always here? And wasn't the app always like this? I don't know which one you're talking about. Have you seen the new Firefox design? I saw it on my friend's... he was streaming today on Discord, and it looked sick. It made me legitimately think to switch to it. I definitely can. I don't need Chrome on this machine. Oh. Interesting. The patch notes. Oh, it shows the number of builds. Yeah, very strange, very strange. What was I looking at? Oh, I wanted to see the actual page. Where's the support page? They should have a support page, right? Ooh. No Man's Sky Steam. No Man's Sky Steam. That one. The news hub. That's the one I'm looking for. I think they loaded a new page if you clicked on anything on the side. Oh, okay. Yeah, that is way smoother than... I kind of just expected it to be that way. Okay, no, they just gave a little bit of basics. They didn't say anything. I guess we'll see on the No Man's Sky website. With the next patch, it'll be like 3.51. What's this? Oh, yeah, you can just take the whole background here. Very cool. Oh, I didn't generate the stuff from the server side. Let's see if there were any new translations and stuff. Time to reinstall World Edit. I even switched my Firefox to dark mode to celebrate the new update. Goodness, I hope so. I hope it stays in dark mode forever. Light mode is illegal. Okay, donation, patrons. We got a German translation? What? Why was the mismatch message empty? Wait, now it's empty. No. That's illegal. I gotta go check the tools page now. Tools, data, assistant, apps. If you have seen the channel, there was an ominous pick in there from me. Oh boy. Gave you some likes and a sub on YouTube. Oh, for Tej. Nice. Yeah, maybe. Wait, why am I saying Tej? Oh, because he was on YouTube. Wait, who are you talking about, Cyberpunk? Whose channel? My channel? German. Community mission. There's a community mission mismatch message. Who did this? DM. Shoot. I wish I had set up like admin stuff for this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it from... I can do it from the admin portal. Did I make it possible? Shoot. Ah, here we go. Why did I not put a delete button? Damn it. I had everything here to make it work. Thank you, Cyberpunk. I appreciate it. I had everything right to add a delete button on this page. I got view. I got copy. Where's the delete? Oh, man. Alright, I'm gonna have to go do that manually. That's gonna suck. Anywho, let me just undo that. think I left the deletes for later. Do you use OBS for streams? Yeah, I do. Streamlabs OBS, the baby one. Loading messages, Atlas being stitched together. Dude, I was looking at I think it's Funny Loader. I was looking at it today. Funny loading messages? No, there was a React one. That also, anyway, it had a bunch of funny stuff. Here we go. Doesn't this look familiar to what Discord uses? Reticulating splines, generating witty dialogue, swapping time and space. Being stitched together. I thought I played Minecraft, not No Man's Sky. What? Tokenizing real life, bending the spoon. I don't think of purple hippos. Oh, don't think of purple hippos. We need a fuse, have a good day. Upgrading Windows, your PC will restart several times, sit back and relax. Dude, those would be cool, but the app loads pretty fast. I'd have to like put in an artificial delay there of like a second or two to show that message. Although I guess on some people's devices, it doesn't load that fast. Just check the Italian over here. Okay, cool. Regen languages. I gotta automate the contribution showing up on the website. The loading screen for the app should be a prism and a rainbow for the duration of the current update. Oh my god. Why? Oh my god. Let me see what it looks like right now. Oh, I don't have a splash screen. I thought I had a splash screen. Is it also just a black screen for you guys before it loads up? Sorry, Captain Steve sent me some stuff. We're having some issues with the translation. Anyway, I don't see a loading screen, a splash screen. I do like that the homepage loads in like that. Shoot, I'll definitely go look at a splash screen. It's not too difficult to add. I don't know why I didn't add it. In fact, I'm sure I did add it, but maybe after one of the updates it got removed. Cappuccino, that's impressive. All right, shall we push this update and then make it go into production? Oh no, I still had broken stuff. I had broken builds last time, and then I just forced it in. I guess today we need to fix it. Come on. There you go. Not done with translation. Wait a minute. Okay, cool. Thanks, Lenny. I appreciate it. Let me just check these pipelines. Why did this one fail? Oh yes, it was the audits. Let's run the audit. Audit, please give me good results. Ooh. Oh, thank goodness I ran this. I'm actually missing the translations for all the new items. So I need to regenerate for all languages anyway. 16, and let that go. Speaking of the new translation page app, you need to have an option to press the symbols to decode on-screen words. Oh, dude, that's genius. Oh my god, Cyberpunk. Why didn't I think of that? Alright, quick. That won't be difficult. The question is, did I ever build it on this computer? I don't think I ever worked on it on this computer. GitHub. No, it doesn't look like it. Alright, let's pull the repo. And I will show you guys how to do it. Yeah, because that's literally what I've been doing. I've been like pecking it. Where's the NMS CD? Yes, thank you GitHub. You knew exactly what I wanted. What am I? No, I went too far. That was a force of habit. This is what I wanted. We're gonna copy the codes. Alright, then we're just going to do a simple git clone of Blair. And then in Visual Studio Code, we just go open that specific folder. Dude, I got so many projects. I got projects inside of projects. It's monstrous. It's deplorable. Okay. First things first is to run npm-i. If it's a JavaScript project, you always got to run npm-i. You have no choice. Otherwise, everything just breaks. Did all of our... Okay, we're still doing Russian. Jeez, how long ago did I do this? Oh, shoot. Yeah, the has dev properties is a bit of a new thing. So there's gonna... Look at that, 154. I don't know if you guys can see that, it's pretty tiny. 154 file changes right now. And it's not done yet. Refresh. 168. Okay, so it's not that many per language. Yo dog, I heard you like projects. Dude, I have a problem. I started another one. I haven't told anyone about it. I think that's when you know you've got a problem. When you're starting new projects and you're not telling anyone about it. Yeah, it is a problem. Alright, let's start this project. Don't look at the 94 vulnerabilities. Damn, you guys can't see that. It's fake. It's all front end, it doesn't matter. Okay. Is the translations done? Yes. What else did I need to do? Oh, the audit. That's what we're doing. The audit. The very important audit. That one, and then 12. Yep. Passed. Language audit. Passed. Alright, everything passed. Good. I gotta push this change. Oh my gosh. Be right back. I like that the text is green. It's very cool. Although I don't think any of that makes it to the YouTube. So on the YouTube side, everything just looks dead and boring. I'm sorry, YouTube peoples. I just don't like the messages going all over the place. Oh, that also means earlier when Taj was here, you guys couldn't see his text when he was sending stuff. Oh, that's all. Well, you could see it on stream, I guess. Yeah, that's fine, right? That's fine. I think I like that. I think I like it. I saw his text in the overlay. Ah, nice. Yeah, I think I prefer that. I'm just going to clean the output folder. I don't want this to go to the repo. It's just too much. Too much junk. Okay. All right. Are you gonna pick up the changes or not? I guess not. I could just do that. Force it to pick it up. Come on. You gotta hurry up so we can work on the fun alphabet site. Dude, Visual Studio, what are you doing? Okay, and then this guy also. Alright, and this would be for NMS 3.50. Oh, the other thing I gotta do is the app version. The game ID version, game files version. It says 3.42 here. I gotta change that. Okay, I was gonna say that's gonna take a while, and then it didn't. Push. That's gonna take a while. All right, and then on the shoot, I had that file open, and then I closed it. We show the game version here. There it is. Look at how sneaky it is, hide in there. Oops. Okay, 197 files changed. What's this? Region languages. Region languages. Push that. Alright, that's probably what we'll build, but We'll get there just now. Okay, so on clicking, I'm just gonna add stuff to this text box down here. I think that's the simplest and best way to do it. Just gonna make the code go all the way up to here. Let's see. Oh, dude. It's gonna be perfect. We got our basic image. I don't think I have an on click here. I don't. Oh, but we can edit. It's fine. We can add it up here. I'm a genius. On click. Update typed. I need another function. So the problem is the update typed replaces everything. Dude, where's your Google API key on screen? Oh, it's the public one. It's the client ID. I need the on... pretty much anything that's in the app, anyone can figure out. So it's not a problem. On... What are we going to call this? On image click? Image click. On image click. Yeah. And then we're going to say character. Character is a string. And then we do this. Alright, so what I want is I want the current value, which is alphabet? No. The current value is... Oh shoot, I'm gonna have to put the on click here. Oh no, I'm being silly. I know it said Google secret though. Yeah, but there's two secrets. They're not really secret. Anything you put in the front end is visible. It's poopy, I know. Like you can't hide anything in JavaScript. Can't hide anything in the Flutter app either. New text. Yeah. Blip blip. So we're gonna do it on the character. Here's the character. Oh no, why did I do that? Past code, damn you. Let display char. I can see that I did like a really lazy edit. Blip, blip. Display char. Display and display. And then the real character will stay there. On click, we will say on image click. And we'll put our actual character in there. What else do we need? Oh yes, the text box has... Oh, doesn't keep the value. Oh no. Oh, it's fine, it's over here. Nobody worry, it's all okay. So our new text is this plus the new character. And then, there we go. On image click. And, I feel like that might be all we need to do. Yeah, look at that. Although I see there's some issues. Maybe this update typed characters doesn't do what I thought it did. Let's try that again. Give it a refresh. RS. No, it did. What? It does do what I thought it did. Okay, let's refresh. I clicked S, then I clicked T. That's fine. Why did it put a... What? Where did the comma come in? What the fudge? Where's the commas coming from? Holy cow. What? What? Am I clicking and dragging? Maybe what would be even easier to pick it up is if we just set the value. Props dot. It's really weird bug now. Really weird bugs coming up. Okay. So if I typed in here, hello, where the frick are the commas coming from? Oh. No, wait. No, I don't know. It's an array. Oh, type chars is an array. No way. Would I? It is an array. Kurt. Past Kurt. He made his life easier, but made my life difficult. Okay. That should do it then. Something to do with serializing. Yeah, pretty much. The array. Ah, it's still doing the commas. How do I tell it to not do the commas? JavaScript array join. Finally, after 5 years, a new creation has been uploaded to my schematics archive. Nice, Al Cappuccino. Uber Gale? What does that mean? Dot join. Yeah, dot join does with the commas. But if I put in the string, okay, so if I put in my own string, basically that, then I should see no commas. Yeah, that's what I expected to see. That's what I typed. I did the join and everything. What does this do? What does update type characters do? It does the new character, and then it splits it. Okay, well luckily I'm console logging, so we can try and figure it out. It means super awesome. Yeah. Oh, I hope you're not lying, because I wouldn't be able to tell. Okay, we bring the console over to the other side. Here's the console. What? Oh, wrong window. So we typed V, sure, then W. Stop putting the commas, oh my gosh. Oh, man. I'm being a stoop. I gotta do this join at the bottom there. Actually, I don't need to. Actually, we don't need to do that at all. Or do I? No, I do. Damn it. Guys, I'm being double stoop. It's a skill. You could also ask translator or DeepL. I don't trust any of them. Alright, there we go. On clicky, it does the thingy. Very cool. Let's just make it a pointer so people know that they can click on the thing. Pointer. Just gonna create a new class quickly and call it pointer. Dot pointer makes your cursor a pointer. It's an advanced class, super crazy. It's this guy. This is the one that I want. Alphabet pointer. You can trust DeepL. Never. There we go. See a little finger? Oh, he only does it on the image. That's not good. We want it on the whole thing. Alphabet block. Pointer, no select. Hope there's no drag on this. No drag. Blah, blah, blah. Nice. So we could go Lenny. There's your name, Lenny. This has been translated with DeepL and your game file. And my game file? Ooh, that's a pretty picture of a sentinel. Wachter. New fandom look and feel is now available. I like that. Did someone render that in Blender? It looks so much more HD here than anywhere else I've seen. Dude, I like the sentinel. This is a good sentinel. Just gonna hippity hoppity. This is now my property, as Danny would say. Oh, come on, paint.net. This is like super HD. Oh, I didn't see the top bit. I think I might need to ask someone with a slightly better tool to cut this out better. Not that paint.net is inferior, just a slightly better tool. I'll say that. Let's see. On low resolution, looks good. Looks good enough for me. New fandom design is crap. Okay, so if you take that image Captain Steve tweeted you and translate it on screen. Okay, cool, I'll do that now. I already told him what the translation was, but I'll do it on stream. Guys, where do I put all my OBS stuff? Sentinel. You guys want me to put the Sentinel on the meme deck? Starts with an S. Let's see how it looks on stream. Not too bad. And at least he's looking in the correct direction. Oh, I wish I could turn him into Clippy. Dude, how awesome would it be to have a Sentinel that's a Clippy? I mean, I could. I don't want to spend the time doing it. Alright, let's get the Captain Steve tweet. Twitters. So I don't need to rip all the images from the English wiki. Oh, nice. Oh my god. My Twitter. You're welcome. I think you're right. They say, yeah, that's what I was saying. FST, yeah, I was confused by that. Alright, let's just heart all these. I sent that to Captain Steve because I was like, I don't know why people are saying it says this way up, because it doesn't. I could also message the German guy who sometimes makes edits on the other German wiki and ask for insights. Maybe that puts some pressure on them. Ooh. Let's do this one. So what I did notice was that it was mirrored on the other side of the helmet. So like here, let's go here. No. This one. This is backwards. Can't be translated. Doesn't work. Characters are backwards. Messes with your mind. This one you can do. What the fudge? Why did you do that? What? Alright, well I'm just gonna... No, I gotta keep the solution running. I almost did a stupid there. Much better. Okay. Let's bring this over to this side. Now it's a lot easier, right? Because you can... How do I make this bigger? Can you guys see that? It's like barely visible, right? It's very light. Oh, shoot. Okay, so it's that S, then an E. So maybe a better picture. I don't want to do it backwards because the backwards is really confusing. It messed me up good and proper. Let's do this. Let's use the best tool in the world. Expand it, and then we just flip it. Horizontal. And then we do that. Is that big enough? I think that's big enough, right? Alright, so we got our... Oh, I've still got Lenny there. I didn't know that was a problem. Be gone, sir. Huh. I wonder why that's a problem. On change. Distraction squad engage. Now I gotta know why this is a problem. Let's see what it does. Hip. Hibbity hobbity. The value is now an empty string. Which is correct. The new character. Oh, no. Why did I put that there? past Kurt, you sly devil. Methinks that the correct way, it's all the bugs, Blenderman, all the bugs. This should just then be an empty array. Actually, I don't need to do that. I don't need to have this check at all. I don't know why passcode did that. I'm gonna undo it. Let's see, if we type Lenny again, the cursed name, and then remove it, yeah, works perfectly fine. Don't know why I didn't do that. Anyway, okay, that's an S, 100%. Although it's a very fat S, because my S is a little bit more skinny. That one I would say is an E, even though, sorry, you guys can't see the alphabet here. This is going swimmingly. There you go. Beautiful. Okay, so that's an E. It doesn't have the hole in it, but it's an E. Then that one is the A, because it looks like an N to me. And then, hey, did I not type the E? E, A. I'm going to check on the drag now. Oh yeah, the drag is a problem. Okay, anyway, that's a S. I'm kind of proud of myself that I've been able to reverse engineer the version banner on the wiki. Oh, nice. I don't like the spaces here. To the right of the S and the left of the E. There's too much space there. It was more of a copy all stuff than a reverse engineer. Nice. Okay, then that is an O. That's easy. And then the capital I. It looks like a capital I, but it like just a very big I, but it's an N over there. Season, and then if you look over there, there's a tiny little thing there. So there's obviously a space, and then an F. So it's saying season F. So maybe like season firstborn. Captain Steve said, what if it's a 1? You know? Which, yeah. That makes things complicated. So I wonder if F is also a 1, making this season 1 and first. Oh yes, that's the other thing. On the face, there we go. This part over here. Drone. Thank you, drone. We've got our, that says FST. So yeah, like Captain Steve said, if the symbol for F is also 1, then it would make sense for firstborn, all that jazz. I think you're right. Which is so complicated, man. Looks like a job for kerning, man. I was literally looking at like making a font with these. The reason I put the E here is because of, I had a valid reason for it, okay? If you look at, okay, Beachhead is a bad example actually, because Beachhead doesn't have the space by the E. Oh shoot, it looks like I don't have an excuse. All of these E's, that's not right. Oh yes, it's down here, sorry. These E's don't have spaces. Shoot. I gotta go fix this now. Because the A is too far to the left and the E is too far to the right, which makes this feel uncomfortable. Yeah, it is. I crafted the images. I made them like they are. I purposely put the space on the left-hand side of the E. And right now, I can't remember why. There was a reason, I swear. There was like an image. There must have been an image where I was like, oh, there's a space in front of the E. But looking at these, they grind on each other. Then the one that Sean Murray's tweeted, they don't grind on each other. They got lots of space. Here they grind on each other. There they grind on each other. There they grind on each other. They got no space anyway. Alright, shall we fix that quickly? It's just like ultra distraction squad. So this is what it looks like. This is what makes an A. And if I was to move everything to the right, we start at M5. Font map comes with 1 month trial, just saying. Measurement, you again not reading messages. Oh no, did I miss? Did you know there's a release list template that is in no way connected to the version template? Oh, that's weird. Okay. So we're just going to edit this live, this SVG. It's simpler than it looks, but also not. Alright, so we're doing the A. So we start at 0.5 and 20, and then we go to 20, 20, 40, 40. Huh? So we're starting at the top left, and then we go there, and then there. So I want to look for that point, the furthest one away, which would be 40, 50, 30, 50. 50. Oh shoot, it goes all the way to 50. Sorry, that's Y. 40 is the X. Alright, so we can shift it over by nothing. We can shift it over by 5. So I just got to add 5 to all of these. 45, 45, 35, 25, 25, 10. Cool. That worked out good. And then on the E, let's go look at the E. The problem with the E is it's too far to the right. So we move everything to the left. 45 and 50. That means it starts in the bottom right. Then 45 and 20. Yeah. So 20 is the closest it gets. And it grinds on 50. It grinds on 50. But you need the release list template in order for the version template to work. What? But even then, it only works half. I haven't figured out the other half of DD's magic. That is kind of weird. I was thinking a different diff size of the image to indicate a letter versus a number. Oh, I get you. I don't know. It looks the same image. Looks like the same size in the picture. The only thing that's different is the color. Which is a bit of a cluster. Maybe I could, I mean, I could make it a red F. So, where's the face? Yeah, here's a good example. Like, that's the normal size of the F. Because the F is only as tall as the E and the S. These all have like, they all go halfway. It's the halfway line. FST. OBC is not even colored. So here it's red if it's season 1. It's so weird, man. Why? Maybe they just made a mistake. What's an example of the F character? Here's an example of the F character. I guess the dot's a bit... Yeah, but this one's lines are... Look to the monolith. I'm looking for F characters. The weapon is coming. There's no F's in there. This one was something about the AI, right? Can I see it? There's no F character in there. What if they just changed the F character? How does the letters on front compare? On the front? You mean like these ones? Are you talking about like the... No, I don't know. So these ones are backwards. But yeah, the F is the same size. Maybe tiny bit smaller over there. But it could... No. FST doesn't make sense. We only know about F because of this. A fresh pair. A one resh pair. They got no F's here. Although, if the F is a dot and a line, then the dot line could be a 2. You should have all those images translated. Which ones? You're losing me, Cyberpunk. Oh, you mean like Captain Steve's one? You want me to put Captain Steve's one on the front page? I thought I did. I know I put Captain Steve's spaceship one, but I didn't write the translations on them. Kind of just left that. Is that what you're talking about, Cyberpunk? Alright, so my closest is... That's not right. My closest x coordinate is 15. It's 15, right? And I need... And my furthest away x coordinate is 45. So if I minus... what do I gotta do? I gotta just minus 10? This would become 35 and this would become... No, that's not good. Minus 5. 40 and 10. Yeah, 40 and 10 is good. Alright, we're minusing 5 from all x values. And then that one. Okay, so now if we were to type out season, it's a little bit better. I think, yeah, the S characters is leaning to a side. So is the H character. Let's go change that. All right, S. The images on the page should have all the translations under them. Also put the helmet on the page. Oh, I getcha. Yeah, we can do that. But I think I might do that after hours. Because it's getting late. 40? So I've got 10 space on the right, and I've got 7.5 space on the left. Which is a weird range of numbers, to be honest. So I feel like I'm not going to touch the S. The S is just a bit stuffed. Yeah, I should make all the characters be center aligned. And not lean to one side or the other. I can't remember why I did that. There was a reason. Okay, so that one's lowest x value is 5 and greatest is 35. So we just increase by 5. These are really simple ones. Wait, now I've messed this up, haven't I? Okay, well if I have messed it up, you'll see the SVG look really messed up. Nope, I got it perfect. Lucky. Oh, and P. P is also... P needs to move. And then we'll just do a quick GitHub deploy and then it'll be live for everyone. 45 and 10. Those are weird dimensions. I think I might leave P. I think I'm gonna leave P. What if we had a page, Cyberpunk? No, you know what? It's better on the homepage. I think you're right. I'll get clean screenshots of these and then translate them. Oh yeah, and we also now have what these are. So the slash in there, that's a K. It is Corvette. Does V look like that? Yes, V does look like that. Corvette. And we don't know what the rest of it says. Alrighty, uploaded all 3 creations as schematics that I deem to be allowed to be public for anyone for them grabs. Nice, Al Cappuccino. That's some good community work you did there. Yeah. Alright, I'll go and edit all these images and put the translation. Maybe I'll put the translation under them. Or if you hover over them. If you hover over, then it goes like whoosh, switches and shows you the actual text. What do you think of that? Some of the stuff I started working on stays private for personal use though. Sneaky. Yeah, alright, I agree. Those should be translated. But at least the clicky works. Blah 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 blah. Alright, let's commit that. On image, click, add to text box. Push that to the cloud, and then we also just do an npm run deploy. And that'll push it to GitHub. The text on the side of the egg tank is on the floor in front of 9. Has 9F in front of it. Whoa. On the floor in front of it. Oh, you're just saying the text is on the floor as well. This text. but not the Corvette one. But yeah, I did see it on the floor. I must actually launch the game and go get some good screenshots. TR Ank is tank. Are you building up your own code words there, Cyberpunk? I was really proud of this website, that I made it in a day. That I just decided I'm making this website, and then I made most of the characters when they were this many that were missing before we had Monolith. 9F is of. It's on the floor in front of it. Okay, I gotcha. Yeah, it was a good website. I like it. The first time I did a React app on GitHub, hosted on GitHub Pages. Alright, so if you go to it, it will be live. Sometimes it takes a while, but I think in this situation it's probably there already. Oh, Lenny, you'd also be happy to know that I did go and update the NMSCD website a while ago. Not today. That it now shows that project, the Expedition Alphabet project, with some tags. Swipe typing on phone sucks. Yeah. Host on GitHub Pages, eh? Nice. Yeah. The only unfortunate thing, Blenderman, is that it's in a subdirectory. So it's nmscd.github.io/expedition alphabet. So that's the only unfortunate part. But you can't really do much about it because it's because NMSCD is the organization, so it gets the special URL, and anything that's in a repo under it will have to be in a subroot, and that really messed around with React. React did not enjoy being in the subroot. Gave me so much trouble. But anyway, it's there now. Okay. Good stuff. We still need to do the app. Need to release the app. Let me check if the test project worked. Make big. Alright. Pipelines. Come on, pipelines. I believe in you. Okay, the test project built successfully. So now let's... Oh, I need to pull in Lenny's changes. I forgot. Let's do that really quickly. The stuff from the server. Shoot, how many times did I zoom in? Was it double or was it single? Okay. React being high maintenance. React's always high maintenance, but it's oh so good as well. Okay, emulator. Emulator went to sleepies. Go away, emulator. Go away. Be gone, emulator. Oh, I clicked the minimize button instead of the close. Edison's been here. Oopsie. Trust me, camera's gonna update. Okay, emulator. Be gone. And here we go. So I only need I only need it to be in English, and then I pull the server files quickly. I'm gonna do a GPU driver update right now. What could go wrong? Dude, I used to have such troubles with those updates because I had an older card, and what was worse is that I had a small card in the PC as well that used to mess with my drivers hectically. All right, awesome. Thanks, Lenny. Translations. Should also add that in the release notes, actually. Dated translations. Technically, I do that every single time, but who needs to know? Who needs to know? But yeah, so I had two graphics cards on my computer, like one really old one from high school, and then a bigger one that I bought with like my first salary. And yeah, the drivers used to just mess with each other. So like, it was a GTA, it was a NVIDIA 9500 GT, old thingy. NVIDIA 9500 GT. Let's see. Yeah. It had a prettier cover than these ones. There it is. I said prettier, I lied. So I had this one and then a GTX 960, I think. Every time I updated my driver, it would use the 960's latest driver, which would then not work on the 9500 GT technically, even though the 9500 GT was just for physics. It didn't give me any performance boost. I just didn't want to get rid of the card. You should install the newest NVIDIA driver. It supports DLS for No Man's Sky. Oh yeah. Good call. Shall we do it while the stream is going? I hope I didn't agree to the update there. I just launched the... It's now GeForce Experience. Ah. Okay, I guess I'll have to look at that. I don't know what's going on with it that it's not showing up. I'm not going to do it, Lenny. I have a Fury X at home. Oh, damn. What about... Oh, geez. I haven't looked at the email spam bot in ages. Jeez. Should I go look at that, Stozo? 1840. We can do it from this computer. I just need to do it off screen quickly because I need to log into the SSH key. I really can't show you guys. That's not good. Is it? No, not SSH key. It's the SSH. Just the actual SSHing and the IP address. And I want to show you guys the IP address. Bash. I was just about to type everything in there. And then once I'm logged in, I'll just clear the console. Pipelines. Okay, that's running. Clear. There we go. Okay, so we're in the machine. We're logged in. We're authenticated. Screen-R. What is that? 2, 3. 1.9 million? 1.9 million successful form submissions? Almost 2 million, Lenny. Give it like another day or two, I guess. It costs me like $6.50 a month. I hope it costs them more. I don't think they've blocked me because, I mean, it's so simple to prevent me from doing this. They just have to click a checkbox. And if they did that, it would say error. It would just say error, error, error over and over. So these are successful requests. So they're responding with 200 and their hash checks out. So what's the checkbox? Captcha. Yep, exactly. If they just put a captcha in, then I can't do anything. Ah. Well, there was the IP. Have they blocked you yet? No, they haven't. Because if they block me, the number doesn't go up. If it's a failed request, the number doesn't go up. So that's 1.9 million successful submissions. Now we know where you live. Well, if you go and look at that IP address, Lenny, it'll say I'm in the US. Because it's a US machine. It's running in... Fuck, I don't know where I chose. New York. It's a 1 CPU, 1 gig RAM, AMD in New York. Ubuntu server. 25 gigabyte disk. It's tiny, guys. It's tiny. Because you can totally read that from IP. Yeah. It's not in your home. No. It's in a DigitalOcean droplet. My blog is on a French droplet. Also 1 gigabyte, 25 gigs. How's the poll? Okay, I'll show you guys the result. Although nothing has really changed in the last while. So, the same as before. Uh-oh. Ah, there we go. It took a while to load there. Oh shoot, what is that? Gotta align things perfectly, you know? Although it's too small for me to see. Anyway. We got a split there. I guess I got a vote. What is... It's actually my headset that's pushing against my head too much. Anyway, let's tell Code Magic to build the app. Do you know how cute a Fury X is? Fury X. Oh my god. Do you have the one with the fan separate? That is very cute. You can no longer vote on this poll. Lol. Oh yeah, it's been more than 3 hours. Stream layups. Can I extend it? Or is it like, do I have to restart it? How chilled is this song? Holy cow. The water cooling is the only option. The air-cooled version is the normal Fury. Ah. Okay. Oh yeah, I had to click on that guy. Cloudbot polls. Time left. I can click on open poll. What, does that just mean the poll is there forever now? Now you can continue voting. Ducky Dance is making it more chill. Vote on No Man's Sky. I think you already voted, Lenny. You were the first, weren't you? You were speedy. Or did you think it was gonna vote again? Because I opened it. It's actually a good idea. Okay, production. We're gonna go Android, iOS. I am always speed. Oh, jeez. Okay. I think we're coming to the end, guys. The app is building. We gotta definitely raid somebody. But who? Who will it be? I know Lenny wants to raid some German people. I've been told to turn my speed down. Lenny, you tell those people to go stuff themselves. You can be as fast as you want to be. In fact, be faster. Oh my god, my No Man's Sky is huge. Ooh, Caitlin and Evan are streaming. Is this big enough? Can you guys see all the things? Alright, we're definitely gonna... Oh, they're Polish people. Jeez, I would definitely not understand anything. Oh wow, there's quite a few people watching No Man's Sky. Everyone's got at least 5. It's hilarious how much the Minecraft channel just turned into a discussion channel about mods and plugins. Raid Beeble. I guess we could... Where's Beeble? Where is he in this list? Is he high up? Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Beeble. It's actually Beeble is the right way to say it. That's not his channel. Bibble. Oh, Beeblebum. Of course. What do you guys think? Should we raid Beeblebum? Why am I copying it? Do you want to hear the sacred speech? Do it. I dare you. Alright, I think we've established it's going to be Beeble. Oh, I see the poll changed. Who's been voting? I didn't see it in chat. Huh. Are you guys seeing the chat? Yeah, you guys are seeing it. Oh, frick. I confused myself. Don't worry about me, guys. I'm just a bit behind. Come on, Twitch. Actually, I could do it in here, right? I could just send the command in restream. Let's just do it from within Twitch. Raid Beeblebum. All right, don't forget the sacred text, okay, boys? NMS raid. Do you want to hear the sacred speech? That's where I got it from. the very important text that we need to copy. It's a very, very important text. It's the text of my people. Yeah. Alright, guys. I think we're gonna raid. Stream's ending. Oh, should I switch off? So I switch the thingy. Ending. Oh, but then you can't see Edison. Look at Edison. Anyway. Thanks, guys. I appreciate the company and chilling. Wait, what secret text? Thank you, Lenny. Yeah, thanks for sticking around, for listening to a whole bunch of crap. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you on Saturday. We're probably going to play No Man's Sky. Maybe not Don't Starve. I think we'll play No Man's Sky. I'm going to try and update my drivers tonight. We're going to get those reflections. Edison, Lenny says bye. Okay. You're lucky to get a response like that, Lenny. Sure. Alright, Oaks. I'll see you. And everyone paste that sacred text. And I gotta actually paste it as well. Oh, is that me talking? Bye!
Hey, Chaos Topsy, thank you so much for the raid and welcome to the stream. Good to see you guys. Lenny, Chaos Topsy, and El Cappuccino, welcome to the stream, guys. Good to see you. Just have to say when I say don't make any quotes, she does it still. Okay, Jake. Christy is just a great. Who said that? Christy is such a great gag. I didn't say gag. Did I say this? KJ. Stolzo, welcome. Blender Man, welcome to the stream, guys. Thank you for the raids. Did you see the kaleidoscope? I did not yet. I'll check it in a second inside. We posted the raid message. Cyberpunk, welcome. Good to see you as well. Woo, yo raiders. Right, and I think there was somewhere. Where was it again? There's a I like your railing as well. I think there's so much details I'm probably missing inside. This is a twisted kaleidoscope, which is nice. How you doing, Kurt? Can somebody drop exclamation mark app in the chat? I mean the moderators. Quote remove. Yo, Potrim. Yeah, I said hello to you. Good to see you, man. Always great to see you. Thank you, Lenny. Appreciate that. Are you an experimental? I am not Blenderman. We are playing on the regular. Jesse, welcome to stream. I'm doing good. Chaos. I cannot get any closer with my build camera though. So I think that's the closest that I can get. Or can I stand? No, I cannot. Yeah, true. Paro, I didn't notice that. That's indeed a nice little addition. The lantern inside the floor in the wall here. Let me see. If I stand on the border, can I see a little bit more? I think I actually can fly closer and then go in camera mode. There we go. Floating gag. Everybody's looking at the kaleidoscope and I'm looking at the lanterns, yeah. This is nice. This is very well done. This is something completely different.